Chairman Garcia, I want to talk to you about Erwin Tulfo. Erwin Tulfo acquired U.S. citizenship by assuming a fictitious identity. Erlich Sylvester Tulfo. He served in the U.S. Army. Nabuko yan. Binawian siya ng U.S. passport. He escaped to the Philippines to avoid getting prosecuted in the U.S. Nung nandito na siya sa Pilipinas, hindi siya naka-assume as DSWD Secretary because of citizenship issue. Surprisingly, naging congressman, nag-represent pinayagan, kahit na hindi na siya natural-born Filipino. He ran for the Senate. Pinailan ko ng disqualification, hindi nyo ginalaw, tinulugan ninyo. I requested you, I moved to prevent his proclamation, you proclaimed him. But that never mind. That proclamation will not work for him because the issue that I raised in my petition is that did he or did they, all the Tulfos, did they qualify as candidates? Now you have to resolve that. Whether or not they qualified as candidates. Kahit na pinroclaim nyo pa, if they did not qualify as candidate, that's null and void. Mr. Garcia, how much? How much do you value the Constitution? Violation po yan. You allow a person, a fugitive in the U.S. to sit in our Senate. Are you proud? You proud of yourself? Alam mo ba kung bakit natural-born citizens lamang ang pwedeng maging senador at congressman? Presidente na rin, tsaka vice-presidente. Pero ang pinag-usapan natin ngayon, senador, alam mo kung bakit natural-born citizens lamang ang pwede? Para hindi tayo maghalal ng Pilipinong gumawa ng kabalbalan sa ibang bansa at pagkatapos magbalik dito, tatawagin pa nating honorable. Naunawaan mo ba yan? Sabihin na natin, sige, yung sinabi kong he is a fugitive from justice sa Amerika, hindi, sige, hindi. Kahit na nag-submit siya ng falsified documents para makakuha siya ng US citizenship and therefore he violated US penal laws. Wala na yon. But the fact that he submitted falsified documents, that is dishonorable. Tapos, ngayon, senador natin, tatawagin natin honorable. Naunawaan mo ba yan, Mr. Chairman? We can do that, pero you rule on my petition. Pag-usapan natin, let the Supreme Court decide. Let the Supreme Court say, yes, he can be addressed as honorable. Yes, he can sit as senator of this country. Hindi pwede yan, Mr. Chairman. Hindi rin pwede yung sinasabi mong mawawalan ka ng jurisdiction at mapupunta na sa electoral tribunal kasi hindi kasya sa mga araw na natitira. Are you serious? Umpisa pa lang sinasabi mo na mawawalan ka ng panahon eh. Paano kang hindi mawawalan ng panahon? Hindi mo naman pinapansin yung aking petition. Just rule on it. Whatever. So that I can elevate it. I don't need to go to the electoral tribunal. Do you understand the issues? The issues are for us. Filipinos. Rule on my petition, Mr. Chairman. That's all I ask of you. Be fair to the Filipinos. Galangin mo naman ang ating saligang batas. You swore to defend that. And I'm asking you, please do so.